Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share TikTok videos on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. For example, I want to share these videos on my Snapchat, so I'm going to tapping on share, and here I'm going to selecting Snapchat. And then Snapchat will open up and it may take some time to load the TikTok video here. And then here you can see the video has been added, and now tap on send, and here you can select to spotlight, to my story, to snap. So that's how you can add TikTok videos on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.